Hi everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to cook one of my partner's favorite dishes, mushroom soup. It's thick and hearty and has that deep flavor of mushrooms. Absolutely delicious. And it goes perfectly well with bread, which I also made over here. If you are a bread lover, you will love this soup. So let's get started. First, we will cook the onions. Chop them up using a food processor or a knife so that they will cook faster and more evenly. Heat up a pan with a large flat surface over low heat. Then add some oil and or butter. I'm using both here. And then add chopped onion. And we will let that cook slowly for about 30 minutes until the onion becomes golden brown. We want to bring out that sweetness from the onions. Stir occasionally to prevent burns. While the onion is cooking, let's prepare the mushrooms. Use any kind of mushrooms you like. You can use multiple kinds like I'm doing here, or you can use just one kind. Chop them up into little pieces so that they will cook faster and more evenly. Okay, the onions are nicely cooked. Let's go ahead and add the mushrooms. Cook them over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. This will let the water from the mushrooms evaporate and intensify the flavors. Then stop the heat and add cold milk and some consommé or some kind of stock powder, which I forgot to film here. Then transfer this mixture into a blender and blend it until smooth. Then transfer the mixture back into the pan, still no heat because we want to let it cool and rest for a while. Check the soup's temperature, and if it's below 60 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit, add some Shio Koji. We needed the soup to be cool enough so that we don't kill the enzymes in Shio Koji. Give it a mix and let it just sit for a while, for 30 minutes or longer. Shio Koji will not only season the soup, but also break down the soup during this resting time and bring out umami and sweetness. Okay, the soup has rested and it's time to serve. Let's warm it up. Check the taste and see if you need any adjustments. You might want to add some milk to make it looser, or cook it a little longer to make it thicker, or you might want to add Shio Koji and black pepper. It's up to you. Mine was perfect for me as it was, so I didn't do anything more here. The soup is ready. Let's serve and have a taste. Oh, this was so tasty. It was rich, sweet, creamy, and full of that deep mushroom flavor. And Shio Koji created tons of umami in the soup. My favorite way to enjoy the soup is to dip some bread in it. It's the best thing. We had them for dinner after this and really enjoyed them. So I really hope you will give this a try and let me know how it went. I think you will love it. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!